Ready to turn that American Express gift card into awesome Roblox gear and experiences? Let's dive into how to redeem it for Robux. First, head over to the Roblox website and log into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to spend your Robux. Next, look for the Robux icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Robux purchase options. You'll see different Robux packages available for purchase. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy. Keep in mind the price and select the package that best fits your gift card's value. Now comes the important part, the payment method. Select credit card as your payment option. Even though it's an American Express gift card, it functions just like a regular credit card for online purchases. Carefully enter the American Express gift card information into the required fields. That's the card number, expiration date, and the security code, which is usually on the back of the card. Be sure to enter all the information correctly. Next, you'll need to enter the billing address associated with the gift card. This is important for processing the transaction. So use the address that was registered with the gift card when it was purchased. If you are unsure, you can typically use your own address, but make sure to check the gift card's terms and conditions. Review all the information you've entered to make sure it's correct. Then, click the Submit Order button or the equivalent to finalize your purchase. And that's it. You should see a confirmation message, and your Robux balance will be updated almost instantly. Now you are ready to go and spend your new Robux.